What's up, guys? It's Brad from the Old Souls. It's cold in Nebraska. It's like 30. It is like cloudy, 30, and gross here. So winter is slowly creeping in. But I'm here in the garage watching some football. But we're going to work on some Del Sol stuff today. I've got my rear compartments out of the Del Sol because I'm doing sound dampening all over the inside of the car. And I have this underglow kit that I haven't done anything with. But I also have this Civic auxiliary fog light switch that I want to put here to use with the underglow. But I'm not sure if it's going to fit right in there. So that's what the video is going to be about. Super easy. We'll see how it goes. I don't know how it's going to go. I don't know if it's going to fit, and we're going to have to go to option B. But that's all right. Stick with us. Should be a quick little video. All right, guys. So I do believe these two little plugs here are for EDM models that have leather heated seats. I'm almost positive about it, but I'm not sure. So we're going to flip this guy over, see how to get these out, and we're going to see if we can get this guy in. All right, let's flip this guy over. Ooh. Okay. Doesn't look like it's going to be too crazy. So here's the underside of this rear compartment here. Here's your lock that connects to one of the bins, to the other bin right here, and then here's these little plugs. So they look super easy to get out. There's just these teeny tiny little pins here, and I don't know, probably on the other side too. So let's pop those guys out and see if this other thing fits in there. Well, geez, that's about as easy as can be. There it is right there. I'll sell these for $100 on the Del Sol Facebook group because somebody would probably buy them. Haha, just kidding, but that group has crazy prices. But we're going to keep these. Boop. Okay, there's the other one. Both of them. Let's put these guys up with the other Del Sol parts. The endless void of things I have going. I need more shelves. I don't see how this is really gonna work because there's no like clips. I don't know. I don't think it's the right size either, but maybe it just goes in from the opposite way. Like you have to put it through and go down and then flip it over. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, so it doesn't fit. I mean, the actual piece inside fits down fine, but this like, oh, sorry, bad angle. But this lip here is what is preventing, sorry for the camera jostling, preventing this from going through. I just don't know. I don't want to ruin this dash or this interior piece just to like Dremel this in here somewhere. I don't know. So that's a dud, I think. I mean, it would look nice. I think I'm gonna have to order an actual like Del Sol switch made for that, which is gonna be hard to find probably. And it won't have the light little symbol, which is what I wanted. And all right, guys. Well, this was a bust, so we're not gonna get that going today. But got other projects to do, so maybe we'll start doing something else. But thanks for checking in on this Sunday. We got that new video coming up next week. Hopefully I see some more of your guys' videos. That'd be awesome. Until then, see you guys on Instagram and Facebook. Peace.